So, is XM a legitimate Forex broker? XM is a well-known online broker offering services in Forex trading and CFDs, and it is considered legitimate for several reasons. Firstly, XM is regulated by multiple reputable financial authorities, including the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CISAC, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, and the International Financial Services Commission of Belize, IFSC. Have you used XM as a Forex broker before? What was your experience? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below. If you are looking for a good, reliable broker, see the links in the description box below. Since its inception in 2009, XM has built a solid reputation in the industry, known for its transparency and reliability, and boasting a large client base. Additionally, XM prioritizes client protection by offering negative balance protection, ensuring that clients cannot lose more than their account balance. The company also maintains segregated client funds, which means that client funds are kept separate from the company's operating funds, further enhancing security. XM provides competitive trading conditions, including low spreads, a variety of account types, and access to popular trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Another key feature that makes XM attractive to many Forex traders is that you can start trading a real live trading account from as low as $5. You can also use leverage of up to 1:1,000. They also offer various deposit and trading bonuses. However, it is always recommended to conduct thorough research and read reviews before choosing a broker, as personal experiences and specific needs can vary. Ensuring that the broker aligns with your trading strategies and goals is essential. Have you used XM as a Forex broker before? What was your experience? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below. If you are looking for a good, reliable broker, see the links in the description box below.